The modern battlefield has a new predator. Small, fast, and lethal. Unmanned aerial systems have changed the way we fight. But America's forward deployed soldiers are fighting back. In Europe, the 2nd Cavalry Regiment is leading the charge with Project Flytrap as developments innovate tactics to counter this ever-present threat. The threat is no longer just sophisticated hardware. It's accessible and adaptable. Our job is to protect the force. We're taking systems designed for fixed sites and putting them on the move, integrating them directly onto our combat platforms so our soldiers can fight and win while under the threat from above. For 5th Corps, America's forward deployed corps in Europe, these capabilities are critical. Owning the airspace allows commanders to maneuver freely and enables ground forces to conduct decisive counterattacks. Through constant innovation and allied partnership, Project Flytrap is building a layered defense of sensors and shooters, ensuring that when our adversaries look to the sky, they find it is already owned by Victory Corps.